How to find memorialization settings on Messenger Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find memorialization settings on Messenger Lite. First thing, go to Messenger Lite and now just click here this settings icon in the top corner, and here just go down until you find account settings and click on it. And after you click on it, just go down and here you will find your information settings. Click account ownership and here you will find it, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.